Let's explore the ripple carry adder. It performs multi-bit addition using full adders. It's a fundamental building block for arithmetic operations in digital circuits. Let's quickly review the full adder. This table shows the truth table of a full adder. When A, B, and carry in are 0, the sum and carry out are 0. With inputs 0, 0, and 1, the sum is 1 and the carry out is 0. For inputs 0, 1, and 0, the sum is 1 and the carry out is 0. For inputs 0, 1, and 1, the sum is 0 and the carry out is 1. When the inputs are 1, 0, and 0, the sum is 1 and the carry out is 0. For 1, 0, and 1, the sum is 0 and the carry out is 1. For inputs 1, 1, and 0, the sum is 0 and the carry out is 1. And finally, for inputs 1, 1, and 1, the sum and carry out are both 1. The Boolean expressions for a full adder are sum equals a XOR B XOR carry in, and carry out equals A and B, plus carry in and a XOR B. The ripple carry adder is a cascade of full adders connected together to perform multi-bit binary addition. The chain structure is as follows: full adder 0, feeding into full adder 1, feeding into full adder 2, feeding into full adder 3. The carry signal propagates through each stage. Here's a block diagram of a 4-bit ripple carry adder. It consists of 4 full adders FA, FA, FA2, and FA3. FA takes inputs A, B, and carry in, which is 0. FA takes inputs A, B, and carry 1. FA2 takes inputs A2, B2, and carry 2. FA3 takes inputs A3, B3, and carry 3. Carry 1, carry 2, and carry 3 are the carryouts from the previous stages. FA is the least significant bit, and FA3 is the most significant bit. Here is the input and output configuration for the ripple carry adder. The inputs are A equals A3, A2, A1, A0, and B equals B3, B2, B1, B0. The initial carry C0 equals 0. The outputs are sum equals S3, S2, S1, S0, and a final carry C4. Let's calculate 5 plus 3 using the ripple carry adder. The binary representation of 5 is 0101, and 3 is 0011. Adding these together, we get 1000, which is 8 in decimal. Now let us look at the carry propagation. C0 is 0, C1 is 0, C2 is 0, and C3 is 1. Finally, C4 is 0. Let's explore the advantages and disadvantages of the ripple carry adder. The advantages are simple design and implementation, regular structure making it easy to lay out, modular design allowing it to be extended to any width, and low hardware cost. The disadvantages are slow propagation delay increases with the number of bits, and a critical path through all stages. The ripple carry adder is used in arithmetic logic unit components, calculators and processors, digital signal processing, and embedded systems. Key points to remember are: it's a chain of full adders, it uses carry propagation through the stages, and it has a simple but slower design. The ripple carry adder forms a foundation for understanding faster adder architectures. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.